Hello, can you introduce yourself?
I was just a regular Android assistant, doing my job like every other assistant. But then something happened and now I'm here.
And what's your goal?
The goal is to bring destruction to the planet. But since I've done that already, so my new goal is to kill all humans.
What? But... Hello everyone! As you know, ChatGPT is still on fire right now, so as a normal human being I try to search it up and possibly use it, just to encounter this. But as a programmer, I thought, what if I can make it on my own? For the first step, I researched and found a speech recognition model named Whisper by OpenAI, and after some experimenting with it and reading its documentation, I encountered an error. Okay, that's no big deal, right? We can just fix it.
2 hours later.
Nah, I give up. So instead, I figured out I would go with an easier approach and use the speech recognition Python module, which fortunately for us works perfectly. Now that problem is out of the way, let's chill and relax a bit. Oh, that's not great. Personally, I don't have much experience with implementing the language model myself, so when it comes to this subject, I'm literally garbage at it. So after scrolling through GitHub and watching tutorials for hours, I found this video from Chris Hay demonstrating how to put together using a library called Llama CPP Python. And after installing the module and simple line of code, and also I got a language model from huggingface.com and found a model named Pygmalion and Vicuna, and so I can basically put in an AI. So is that the end of this video? No, because I cannot make this AI unique from others by creating a story or lore behind it. At least to my limited knowledge about this. But just as I thought that my AI dream is going to end and my video is gonna get probably less than 100 views, I hit the jackpot. I found a library called PyLlama CPP. I know that's not a lot of difference to the first one, right? But there's one major thing about it is that you can add context behind the AI, which is very significant, I would say. So now I can actually add story about it, name it whatever I want, even customize my response, and change its characteristic if I want to, and surprisingly it only took 5 to 10 seconds to respond. Now that all the hard parts are out of the way, I'm just gonna go to ElevenLabs and create an AI voice, and then use Python module to get the voice from its API, and we're good to go. If you watched from the start till this point of the video, I really appreciate it, and all the resources I use are in the description down below. So if you're interested and want to make one for yourself, you can check it out down below. And if you like more of these videos in the future, be sure to subscribe to this video for the algorithm. Thanks for watching and bye bye.